Welcome to GMC Machine Tools, reliable equipment that you can trust. In this video, we will feature the GMC HS1010MD hydraulic shear. It is a Taiwan quality machine and one of our best sellers for fabrication, sign manufacturers, and construction companies. The HS1010MD shear features include a 26-inch one-side hand wheel operated manual back gauge, a full-length mechanical hold-down bar with neoprene inserts to reduce marring, a 60-inch squaring arm with scale, two front support arms, a full-length solid work table, a mechanical stroke control for 16 to 20 strokes per minute based on material length, e-stops for emergency shutoff that meet OSHA requirements, and auto or inch select availability. The upper and lower blades are made of high alloy hardened steel and have two edges each, so the shear can be turned one time before sharpening. The HS1010MD can shear 10 feet of 10 gauge mild steel and 14 gauge of stainless steel. It is available in 220 volt or 440 volt 3-phase and backed by a 1-year factory warranty for parts. This shear would make a great addition to any facility or shop. GMC has been in business for over 20 years and have sold thousands of shears that are currently in the production field today. We have a large inventory of machines in stock for quick delivery and also have on-site factory tech support as well as a full parts department, so you'll never have to worry about production downtime. To find out more about this or any of our other products, or to receive a free quote, just give us a call at 909-947-7787. On behalf of GMC Machine Tools, we thank you for watching.